my better. Bitch, I'm booty tank, tippy toe, tippy tay. You gon' get a tip today. Fuck that. You gon' get some dick tap. Walking with my crew when I'm breaking their legs. I'm looking all good, I'm making it wet. They pay me respect, they pay me in checks. And if she look good, she pay me in sex. So
some bass.
I blew on my fucking front tweeters on the way up here, man. Give a fucking hip-hop demo to somebody in the parking lot.
Really?
So last night in the rain, I'm fucking taking the tweeters out the rear doors, moving to the front doors.
Really? You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, man. It's Rival.
How you guys doing, man?
What's going on?
Rivals.
Yeah, I know those wolfies.
Sounds good to me, man.
Pretty nice, pretty nice. What we got going on in these vehicles?
Yeah, she knows.
There is a 412 and the green Jeep and a 6-order van pass. There's 2 in the Superman Cavalier. There's 4 in this and a 3rd row wall. There's 2 in this and a blow through.
Nice.
Nice.
Could you let me hear something? Could you give me a listen? Let me get a listen.
Yeah, you can. Take a seat, bud.
All right. Best thing, man. Before it breaks, just remove it.
Yep.
Rival audio woofers. I've been wanting
these new APKs.
Those things are putting out juice.
Yes.
They're putting out juice. That's the new APK 4500D.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And then my buddy in the Jeep, he's got the 2 3500s.
Nice. I've been wondering.
My nigga, I'm faded. My nigga, I'm faded. My nigga, I'm faded. My nigga, I'm faded. And I don't give up. Super McNasty. Call me daddy. Pimp no caddy.
Very nice. Very nice. That sounds nice. How many woofers you say there was?
Only 2 in the 6-order van pass.
Very nice, man. That's a nice setup, man.
Thank you.
Y'all did a good job.
Yeah, like square down the middle. Okay.
Always like that heady music.
Move some shit.
Let me get something that's got bass here.
I'm sweating my ass off. Did not expect it to be this hot.
Oh, it was brutal.
Let me get something real quick. We just turned this on really for the first time yesterday. So
I got you.
I don't got.
You only live once, that's the motto, nigga. YOLO, and we got it. See him 'cause the money and the way, real nigga, what's up? Money.
That is great, man.
Yo, my man want to hear 2 of them. Let me go and hit it real quick.
It was 412s on 2 APK 3500s.
Yeah, 2 of the new amps. Audio pipe.
That's fucking impressive, man. That was very nice. Probably one louder.